This is where everything changes if you let it, my love. If you've made it this far, it means something inside of you is already shifting. Maybe you're starting to believe that this is actually possible for you to be known, to be highly paid, to be the mogul of your own movement, not just a technician working inside someone else's timeline. Let me walk you through exactly what you're going to get inside Online Beauty Mogul and why this is the most powerful decision you're going to make this year. This is a transformational container. It is built to shift you from shy and overwhelmed and invisible to a woman who commands a category and cashes in on her own magic. Online Beauty Mogul is my signature 6-month container where we transform beauty professionals into online icons, where women create content that converts, build audiences that buy, and design freedom-first businesses that don't depend on your next appointment. Here's what you're going to get inside this amazing experience. Identity and confidence coaching. This is going to help you eliminate imposter syndrome, perfectionism, and people pleasing, and help you step fully into the woman, brand, and presence that magnetizes cash and clients. You're going to learn camera confidence and visibility training. You'll learn how to show up online with authority, energy, and emotional pull, even if you've never felt ready to be seen before. Our signature online identity, brand persona, and profitable community building, we will craft your unforgettable brand identity and guide you step by step to build your school membership, a profitable online community that runs while you rest and while you expand and while your riches multiply. That's what will happen for you. And you're also going to get monthly VIP video content creation days. We're going to film together monthly, so you never have to worry about what to post. Each shoot is branded, styled, and strategically planned out, giving you high converting content ready to attract premium clients across platforms. You're not just learning theory, you're building your empire as we go. You'll walk away with this experience with a magnetic online presence that sells for you, premium offers that create real freedom, unshakable confidence to show up and be seen, and the clarity to lead, scale, and eventually exit your business on your own terms. I care deeply about your transformation, not just because I've been where you are, but because I know what's waiting for you on the other side of fear, hiding, and waiting. I'm so excited for you. Oh my God. You're not just here to do brows, lips, lashes, and faces for the rest of your life. You're here to lead. You're here to be the brand. You're here to become the mogul that the industry didn't even know they were missing. If that is what your heart has been praying for, this is why I built it. I built it with you in mind. This is the only program that combines high-touch brand mentorship, identity embodiment, in-person video shoots, and offer creation all in one. By the way, we can do that on Zoom too. And the outcome, you're going from dreading content to dominating your niche and loving content, by the way, because it's so fun. From relying on referrals to building an online-driven brand, in-demand brand. From feeling like a hidden gem to becoming a beauty media mogul. But let me be clear, this isn't about teaching trends. It's about becoming the trend. The women I work with walk differently, speak differently, charge differently. They don't just show up online. They make people stop and listen. So if your heart is pounding a little bit right now, if you feel like I've been describing this to you the whole time and it's making you go like, oh my God, I need this, it's because I made it for you. This is your moment to say, I am done hiding. I am done waiting. I am ready to be the one. So here's what to do next. If you're feeling that full body yes, I want to invite you to apply for the program right now. Spots are limited because this is only for people that are really wanting to do this and want massive results, because you have to commit to the results. Click the button below and fill out the application. And if it's a fit, we'll book a call and make sure we can lock in your start date. But here's what I want you to remember no matter what. You were not meant to be another invisible technician. You were meant to be a brand. And it's your time to become her. It's your time. And I cannot wait to meet you on the inside of Online Beauty Mogul.